started at your appointment, Kooper. So what do you want to talk about? You're gay.
I wanna fuck Casey.
You do? You do? You want to?
Yeah,
Why would you want
Make
to
it
hump
happen.
Casey?
She is beautiful.
You're a lesbian, Kooper. It's like I had plastic surgery.
I
Yes,
am
you
not.
are.
No, I can't be. I cannot be.
Kooper, you got laid by a Mexican.
That's impossible, because I haven't been in Mexico.
Yes, you are in Mexico.
I am not in Mexico.
Wanna play Skate 3 and jerk away?
No.
Kooper.
I'm buying
Kooper.
a puppy. Oh my god, I'm buying my favorite puppy in the world.
Wait, what? What are you playing? You're playing the humping game? Gay. What are you playing?
No, I'm buying my puppy.
What are you playing?
I'm not playing anything.
You're playing the humping game? Uh-huh. Yep, he's
No, I'm
playing it. He's playing it.
No.
That's
No,
true.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Yes, he is. He's playing it. Yes, he is. He's playing it. Kooper, get out of that game. It's not gonna be good healthy. Kooper, I'm talking to you right now.
Oh, no way. Wait, no wait.
State of decay. Dude,
Give me.
quit
Give me
playing the humping
OU.
game.
Oklahoma. Oklahoma.
Get out of the humping game. Get out of the humping game. Kooper, what are you playing?
I'm not playing anything. I'm on the dashboard.
Oh, you're on the dashboard.
Oh, yeah,
What are
buddy.
you doing?
Oh,
Kooper, quit fapping.
buddy. Dude, this is totally me
What
right
is?
here. Hold on, I gotta
Is
buy
it
it.
State of Decay
So,
fapping
Probably.
version?
no, this is me.
You liar!
I
You're
wear
on
this
Avatar
every day.
Editor, so quit fapping along.
Yes, I am on Avatar. I am on Avatar Editor. I'm getting me a
Okay, so
university.
Kooper, list the people you wanna hump.
Casey, Mary, girl named Brianna Fears,
Say it louder.
I wanna fuck
No,
Brianna Fears,
no, say it louder.
Mary, and Casey.
Good. Watch my YouTube channel for 3 days, and you'll see a video of me and Kooper. Just listen to it. It's kind of weird. You do realize this is recording, right? I'm sorry, okay? Okay. You didn't know. Yeah, F the TV. I'm gonna do the same thing.
Wait, I'm missing my
But the good thing is YouTube can't even see my finger. It's right on the TV. I could shake the TV and no.
What if you had a face cam?
I'd probably F the face cam. I'm not ever gonna do a face reveal, so I'm just gonna stick to this. Kooper, this is recording, so if Casey was to randomly watch this video,
Please don't. Please
Casey
don't.
would know.
Please don't.
Casey would know.
Fuck you, man. Fuck you.
I may not upload this, but it'll be okay. Besides, Casey hates me, so she won't watch it. I don't know. I got humiliated before too. It's alright. It's alright. Kooper, we all go through the struggle. I'm a good friend.
Alright, Gordon.
Who do you want to F? You changed your mind. Okay then. Kooper.
Dude, look at my avatar, Carter. It's gonna change here in a second. Once these update. Oh my god, it's gonna look so
Wow, your guy looks so gay. Why does he keep leaving? Wah. You keep leaving, you fag. Okay. You could
No,
do.
you
You could do. You could do. You could do. Wow, Demo was like trying to look sexy.
Dude, quiet.
Why quiet? Why, because you're having a fun time in there? He's having a fun time. Guys, he's having a really fun time. I can't do anything. Yo, dude. Having a fun time in there? Yeah, he's having a fun time. Fun time. Hey, dude, what's up?
100 dos.
So,
Dude, my guy,
on Minecraft, what are
so
you gonna
quiet,
do?
Dude.
There's some people watching, so this is recording, so make it fast.
No way.
No way. What?
Oh my god, this has gotta go down as one of my outfits. Oh, quiet, it's serious.
What
No,
does?
wait.
Charles looks like a gay person.
Yes, done.
Is it done? Is it done?
Yes, I am done.
You swear?
Oh, it's so quiet.
What? What, Kooper? You crying? You're like coughing. You've got Ebola. You've got Ebola.
It's so quiet. I can't cry. It's so quiet.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, I think I just headbutted the mic. Damn. Oh, what the I think I got a hematoma. Those things hurt. Yeah, you still have a sweatshirt and you look saggy. Your skin is white as snow. Jesus.
Wait. What kind of sweatshirt do I have
A
on?
purple one.
No.
No.
Go back and then turn it back on. Go back
What do you
and
mean
turn it
turn
back
it
on.
back on?
Go out of it and then go.
That's
go
what
back,
I did.
Go back to your guy.
It's still the same.
Okay, yeah, now what
It
it
looks
looks like.
you're still the same. Still.
Well, I have an Oklahoma shirt on and I've got the cutest little puppy ever.
Yeah, and then sooner or later you're gonna get the thing that says Casey and you're gonna hump the dog. Yeah, you're gonna hump the dog.
Come on, Carter, let's play some white noise.
No, it's nighttime, dude. I'm not going to sleep with nightmares. But this is intro number 5.
I went to.
So.
No, dude, please.
Okay,
Come
well.
on, man. We're supposed
Okay,
to
Kooper, I'm going to tell them how it all started. So, I'm going to start from the beginning. I was once a person that liked Vanoss Gaming and other Venturian and stuff like that, and so I watched them and I wondered how they did this. And my brother, sooner or later, R&R, decided to make a YouTube channel, and so he got all set up and he got his stuff, and I just watched my brother progress and these other YouTubers progress, and I always wondered how they did it, and I wanted to be a YouTuber, and so I got set up and he taught me everything, and I set up my PVR. I bought this stuff, which took me about 6 months, maybe less.
Carter, we're playing
So what got me was how it was to be as a YouTuber. How was the feeling to be a YouTuber? Like, how did it feel to how did it feel to be a YouTuber? Oh God, I feel so. I'm gonna cry when I go to bed. YouTube, if you hear me scream a lot, I'm sorry. I'm gonna back my chair up. This is gonna be scary as shit.
Choose your character. Choose your character.
What the fuck? Look at my guy. He looks so derpy.
Okay,
Yeah,
copy him.
the derp. Please, can we go, like... I don't like where this is going.
Let's go here.
I feel so damned.
It's scary.
Alright, YouTube, I'm about to screw myself. More like pee myself, so F this. Yeah, F this.
This is so funny.
I don't like this at all. You know what, F this. Why can't I run?
I don't know.
Damn you. Exit. Okay, I'm exiting. I'm not doing this.
You disconnected,
I
by
know,
the way.
we both did. There's a connecting problem. Can we just do this tomorrow, dude, in the morning whenever I'm less scared?
No.
Dude. No, dude. This is the worst way to go to bed, Cooper, you retard. Dude. You know,
We're not
dude.
going to bed.
Dude, okay.
Dude.
You know how retarded it is to do something at night and say, "Yay, let's have sex at night" or something? It's like you gay for, like, you need sleep. Doesn't make any sense. I feel so dumb. Ugh. Okay, Cooper.
Dude, we're not
Cooper,
going
in
to
the
bed.
morning, do you want to do more vids on white noise?
No,
Okay.
we have to do a
Okay,
video.
okay, Cooper. Cooper, I just want to say one thing.
Please.
Fuck you.
What?
I just wanted to say that.
Pick your character. Okay, Carter, we'll be on the lowest difficulty, okay?
On the what difficulty?
The lowest.
Wow.
I feel like changing the difficulty. Okay,
Easy.
easy. Okay. You want to be on easy or do you want to be on normal?
Easy.
Go on.
No.
Be a nightmare.
I'm leaving the goddamn game, dude. If it's on
Okay, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
lesbian.
Okay, we're on easy.
Do you just want to do this in the morning whenever I'm less scared?
No.
Cooper, you are such
dude,
a
dude,
perv.
what?
I just have to say that.
Dude, wait, just press RT to run.
I feel so damned. Where are you? I can't see you.
I ran away.
Where are you?
I ran away. What's behind you? Look what's beside you. Hi there, fan.
You're a faggot, Anderson.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow you.
No, let's follow each other.
Yeah, you fag. I'm so scared. You're scaring me.
You guys like,
I'll be damned. This is effing
What's it?
scary.
what is that?
It's a whore.
Hear it?
Here, what?
Oh, I see it, I see. First one. Ready? Pick it up.
Oh my god. I feel so stupid.
Why?
We're doing this at nighttime. Did you realize how much this is gonna freak me out? I'm just gonna be dreaming, walking down the hall, and then there's a random sea monster retard. There's no Hey, it's a penis! It's a giant green penis! It's a penis.
Wait! Run away! The white thing's coming here. The white thing's over there, white.
I know he was. No! Stop moving. I need to check my PVR. Okay, I checked my PVR. Dude, your face looks retarded. Your face is like gay graphics. Oh my god. I F you, Kooper. Even though we're good friends.
This is not the easiest.
Kooper, I feel so lesbian. Ugh. It's freaky because he never comes. He never comes on easy.
We have to listen for scratch noises.
He's your mommy. I'm ready for jump scare. You look like a retard. You're just like, what's behind this? I'm just gonna exit the game if I get scared. I'm just gonna exit it. Like, not exit, but I'm not exiting. I'm just if I can.
Hey Carter, I can see you through here.
You're freaking me out, retard. I'm right behind you, bro. I'm not leading the way. I'm too much of a wuss, okay? I don't know why we're doing this at night.
Are you gonna be James? Are you gonna be
James Autobahn? Maybe. Could we do this in the morning? I'll be more up and running, and I'll be. My back is hurting.
Dude, no, I wanna do this. I wanna feel the intensity and feel this. You hear that noise, dude? You hear that scratching
It's your
noise?
penis. It's your penis scratching up against your jeans. You hear it?
No, it's the if you see the disc thing, yes, it's making noise. I see it.
Holy crap, of course. That's your mom. No, it's your mom. She had a baby.
Look, this one's your mom. This one's your mom.
The other one was your mom. See? She's having fun. Yeah.
Yeah, Carter,
What?
you know the monster's gonna start coming after us now.
That's whenever I exit.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I have to exit.
It's okay, dude. It's alright. Okay, Kooper.
Please.
It is dumb of you to start a game when it's nighttime. It's not. Can we do the game tomorrow, dude? In the morning. I'm tired out of my mind.
Dude,
I'm going to slam.
Dude, we have people to do it with. Dude, we have
Who is-
people to do it with.
Who are the people? No, you don't. You don't have people. Who are they? You dummy.
Connect. I'll show you.
What do you mean? Fine, I'm joining. Yeah, you're just gonna lie to me, but I'm tired, dude. I'm very tired.
We actually have people.
We do?
I used to jump in also.
Okay.
It's
I'm
on
getting my
everything.
anus up to the
Hey,
thing.
cart 3R 1219. No, I2, I9.
Yeah, no, because we have all these people to sacrifice. It's a game. Oh my god! Lost connection. Okay, let's do this. All right, make sure these people are readied up. I'm ready. I'm ready to make a YouTube video.
I think these guys are ready too. Ready to go. There we go. Oh no, one guy left.
Is it us again? What?
Look at the guy.
Are you gonna be with us? Hey, he's gonna be our invisible pal. We're gonna follow you, Kooper, the dirt. Let's go, you derp. Can't you wait up? You're like a freaking jackal. What? You're freaked out, Kooper. Oh, I'm leaving. Okay. I know. I left on purpose. All together.
Yeah, someone joined.
Okay, good.
No glitch.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
Carter.
we got the game back. We got the game back. Oh god, no, I didn't.
Carter. Carter.
Anybody.
Carter.
Yeah.
I think
You press random buttons and I hate how you do it.
Carter, I know glitch that only the third player can do.
Are you sure? Oh, you
Carter.
kidding me?
Carter.
In the forest?
We got all.
Oh.
97.
Yeah, I know, right?
We've got the game. It's I'm Shaggy. I'm Saggy.
Carter.
And that's Skig.
Carter.
Skig.
Dude, there's a guy in first. There's a guy in
Carter.
Look at your
Let's go into
face.
game chat.
Yeah, let's go in game
Fine
chat.
then. I guess no one.
Let's
Okay.
go into game chat.
Talk to him.
Wait.
Game chat.
We have to exit the party. We
No,
have to go
game
exit the
chat.
party. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what up?
Hair chick.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm recording.
Carter.
I just want to let you know
Carter.
I'm recording. I'm a YouTuber. I'm not that famous, but I do record.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, what's your YouTube channel? I'll check
Cart
out.
plays games. Cart plays games. I only have 50 subs.
I'll
So
search that
I only
up.
have 50 subs.
If you're lying, I
Okay.
will kill you.
He won't. He's not.
Okay, come here.
What?
Carter.
Okay, what?
Come here.
Are you the girl?
See, look. No, I'm the guy. Yeah, I'm the girl. Get up against this rock right here. Now, the person who's not Carter shines your light on Carter. Carter, get against the wall. Okay, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna click start and then click A to resume game 5 times.
Why?
So that the sun will come up and we can see.
Whoa.
You want to see? You want to?
Cool. So,
Do you want it to happen?